peace and blessings. Want to welcome you to another great video today. I want to go over how you can create a persuasive email to increase some attendance for your upcoming event, right? So I have already put the prompt inside with ChatGPT, right? As you can see, it said write a persuasive email to increase attendance at our upcoming event about, and you will put your theme right there, whatever your theme is. Then you see it said, here are additional details about the event to include. Then you will add your details. So let's just say for demonstration purposes, I will put right here about making money from your smartphone. I will put this right. So add details. So I will put like make sure you are on time. Let's see. And also make sure you are ready to ask any questions. All right. So I will enter. Let's see what it pops up with for me. Now you don't even have to think about creating in the emails when it comes down to your business, or even if some people that don't know how to create emails, you can be creating emails for them using ChatGPT and be able to earn income when you share that email or those emails with those business partners or people that you're just trying to help. But this is just a way that you can use this without even really having to think so much. You didn't see me think so much when it came down to creating it. Look at this subject. Don't miss this opportunity. Learn how to make money from your smartphone. Are you ready to unlock the secret to financial freedom using just your smartphone? Join us for an exclusive event where we'll show you exactly how you can turn your device into a money-making machine. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, this event is packed with strategies and insights you won't find anywhere else. Look how it already broke everything down. We got the check marks, we got the event. I can just put the date right here. I can put the time. I can put the location and the venue. Look at this. Then whatever platform that you're using when it comes down to your email services, I use Mailing Boss on Builderall, and I can put that in the description as well. But look at this. You can just copy this. Make sure you're putting the time and stuff. And right here, you can put your capture page. You can put your website. You can put your Facebook, your Instagram, whatever it is that you want to connect people with when it comes down to this email, as well as your name, your position, your company, or your organization, and your contact information. So I want you to check out the description in this video. If you like more prompts and commands like this one, come on now. AI here to help us. Let's continue to grow.